Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment. Hey, yo, Skilla. Alright, everybody, you don't know who this already? The Skilla, you see it. Yeah, so boy, I don't know. But this is one you know. Listen to one I got now. See? A yard filled with some homosexuals, right? Somehow them find themselves in some form of love tangle. Cause it seems like triangle to me. You see what I say? Seems like there's more than 3 persons involved in this whole thing. You see me? And some farmer informer work go on and something happened war broke out. So the police them now visit. Yeah, for try to pacify everything while going. Take a look and observe Pana one here, see me? Please.
We all got up this morning. I don't know if you know the name Michael Jackson. I think everybody's supposed to be
hearing about it.
Right.
No, locally, but I know
he's
the
not
international
here.
one. Yeah.
He's not here. The gentleman that they reported, he's his lover, right? He came into his room this morning and saw this gentleman sitting on the bed, right? He called his people way overseas in Barbados and tell him that him and this young man is lying down in the bed, right? So that's what started the friction this morning, right? So when him done now, the young man where you see them just call police, go over there so now for go attack him, and his ex-lover went in the way. So all know that young man don't touch him. And if him people ready for talk, tell them me I want. So it's all switch now. All switch now. Listen, stop and tell girl. So what tell lie. All switch now. As that you say I want. Listen. I'm gonna let you know. I don't allow.
I'll lie you tell. Because I was it was sitting on the fridge over there, so and boys come and shut the look boy. I'm a push off boy and I'm a part of them. And at the same time, him say I call the police and I say don't do it the right way, nobody don't fight. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, okay, I'll be a liar telling you.
Me tell lie.
You see, they don't know who call who. Them say him call Jackson, tell Jackson boy living in a bed or whatever. They don't know who call who. Them accuse the boy say him and they don't know who yet. You understand, officer? So they don't know them accuse the boy.
No, we heard from the artist Montego. We spoke to Michael. On video call. On video call.
Queen, can you get boys from me, please?
Sure. Because I don't think it's like this. Boys come now. Now this is foolishness. When you now walk on an antique show when police will lock up, when you now call police. When you in your drama shit up, when you not chop up, when you and the police them for come, when you now call them, eh? When you for call police, you for call police, you for call police. Eh? If you and boy are sitting in a good term, you wouldn't do that straighten it up, but because you and boy is no friend, you have a straighten for police to lock him up because you want laugh. Because you think that two boys in the way you will get Kevin for yourself, never talk. One girl, you know I really like you.
Me know when you like me quick in the liar here, Satan. Me know when you
Satan, the whole out now wicked. Me the whole out now sit down in here and watch boys stop prison. Sit down and laugh. For now have an apple laugh, tell us go sit down. More than una go laugh. Show me the scar when you have fire when you draw something. Show me now. Show me. No, I'm just saying, officer. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm just saying, officer. These are the things that make homosexual life look like this. People like them there. I'm ashamed to live my lifestyle and own up to my lifestyle. People like Uno.
People like me, I'm shake my right girl.
That's why I hate when time people put me in the same boat like Uno. Come here, class of people like Uno. Because this is not part of them here. What this for? What wait for? This is embarrassment. This is embarrassment. This is embarrassment.
I'm calling Chia Uno.
One man.
Are you for work in the liar?
That's how I'm saying with the mind when I go to what I'm saying with a pay man for killing us a batty man. That's the I know. Can't make batty life look like shit. Why not? I'm going to go after you.
¿Quién cuando me vino para el día? Like the run gone. I the run gone.
What wires gone?
I'm mad. Are you the one look for? Are you the boy house?
No.
Come here. Come here, come here. Come here, no? I name, sir?
Yeah.
Him?
No.
Okay, okay.
No.
When gone?
No.
The police them just want to talk to him and see that. It make me look back, catch him Fred and gone.
He run gone?
Yeah, catch him Fred and gone.
Hey, sit down now. Why you waiting? Just come to talk to you, Virgin.
Why is this not have any right to come all the way about this come talk the look why? You know I'm not come talk the look about them face.
Hey, don't live in a one year. I can't live in a place.
I just want, but them now want that.
You see, me make me good work.
Thank you.
Alright, officer, I can talk. I can talk out of my mouth. I go tell you what the problem. You see another yard here? You see the girl them over here? Them not
The
stop.
girl over here.
Them alright, you see the boy them are me no know about you, but me know about me. You see the man them over here or whatever them class themselves as? Them not stop. Them not stop.
As an elder.
Alright, make it elder talk.
As an elder.
Yeah, but the elder talk.
May I tell you guys the truth? I'm waste no years. All the way. You know what I'm saying? All the way now.
Yeah, but no, but the
Homosexual.
boy else can't come.
It's a bad.
Yeah, when you say a while ago. No, me really have to ask. You see me I say? Well, at least him honest. You see me I say? Nobody can call him no wolf in and no sheep clothing. You see? Ah boy. But me I tell you still, on a real levels. When me see something like this, you know what I mean? I mean this, you know, if you see a yard like this, you know what I mean? It's new to me. Cause when me see it, me I say, me just said to myself. You see me I say? Me don't know what else to say, you see me? I don't know if I should be angry, I don't know if I should be sad, I don't know if I should be mad, I don't know if I should cry, I don't know if I should run, I don't know what to do. You see me I say? It just confused me. Shock. Really and truly. You see what I say? You see? Alright, notice. Then make sure them send a male police and a female police. You see what I say? Females. You know them always find a situation like this very amusing. You see what I say? Very amusing. You see it? At this thing called mix up. Anyways, look. As gone into the one to come and explain everything we just explained a while ago in a one sentence. One sentence, you know, everything explained, you see me? Him say, as gone into him say, you know, it come like a some informal thing start the whole dispute between them. One say he must go catch one with one and he call the other one and call one over so foreign and the next one call back and the next one no saying no and he go try to attack the one there and the X jump in between and all them things and me even feel confused, I tell you. You get what I say? Yeah, but as I say, you know, it explaining this, you see it? Yeah, man. But on a real basis still, on a real basic, Jamaica change. Jamaica change, really change. You know, for the good or the bad, better, worse, whether you like it or not, Jamaica change. You see what I say? And you know, the thing about it is that I know say a lot of us really disagree with it because this is not everybody's lifestyle, you know what I say? To be honest, you know what I say? A lot of people are going to be angry and John, you see, but why Jamaica change? And that is the reason why I make sure I bring this thing to you, my viewers. You know what I say? I can know what go on in Jamaica. You know what I say? Because a lot of we not travel out Jamaica as much as we born and grow here, you know. Not for we even fly overseas to many different places and still never travel out the country where them living, you know. For know certain things what go on in Jamaica, really and truly, you know. Like for real, you see me? So, I have to just bring it forward too, you know, and show the realness what go on. You see me? I just that, you see me? Alright. Really and truly now, I ask, you know, to give me one real comments, you see me I say, but keep it clean, you see me I say, you know, cause you know a lot of people, you know how it is, you see me? So just keep it clean, cause really and truly I'm trying to keep a clean platform here, despite the fact of some of the things that will happen in Jamaica. I have to bring it as clean as possible, you see me I say? And as always, you know, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button if you need to know more what going on in and around Jamaica. You see me I say, especially of Dancehall Skilla Entertainment, you know, and of the whole world too. You understand me? You see? My name is Skilla, and that was Dancehall Skilla's Entertainment.
Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.